Original notebook made by Catherine Croson. You can visit the GitHub page by the link given in the description. First of all, visit the Google Colab notebook, whose link is also given in the description. Click on the play icon to download the required packages. This might take some time. The next step is to download the model file. There are many kinds of model, and each one generates a different art based on the keyword, but for instance, we will be leaving it as the default model. In order to download the neural network libraries, you have to click on the play icon. In this block, you have to enter the keywords for your art. In this tutorial, we will be generating an art of two guys with supernatural power. After filling in the details, click on Run Art Generator. It might take time as we have set the interval image to 50. So after some time, you will get this kind of beautiful art, which is generated by an AI. There are other cool features also with which you can experiment and enhance your art. Alright guys, I hope this tutorial was really helpful for you. If it was helpful, then consider subscribing and hit the like button below.